What your kids don't know can hurt them and maybe kill them. That's the message from the Tennessee Department of Education about firearms safety and the reason behind a new initiative about guns coming to your child's school. There's data to back up the need for more firearms safety education, and sadly behind every number is a parent dealing with tragedy. With more on the problem and the new solution, we turn to News Channel 5's Nikki Hauser.
You know, #1 priority is keeping our kids safe.
That's the reason Tennessee lawmakers are bringing a new course to all state classrooms this year, gun safety.
Responsible is having good judgment and the ability to act correctly.
That's a snippet of what some students will be learning in Wilson County. The idea is to teach kids how to navigate guns in their homes and in their communities.
So as you can tell, like, the tone at the younger level is different than it would be for our older students. So we want families to know that too.
Wilson County School spokesperson Bart Barker says the educational video for K through 2nd grade, for example, will carefully introduce the danger of and encourage a student to avoid a gun, while high school grades will tackle responsibility and safe storage.
Sometimes as having small children, you know, when mom and dad can tell our kids something, you know, it may resonate one way, but when their trusted SRO from their, you know, that they say, oh, that's an SRO, it can sound a little bit different.
This could be a very important lesson considering our state saw 158 unintentional shootings by children between 2015 and 2023.
That's according to data from Everytown, and the Department of Health backs that up, reporting Tennessee's firearm-related deaths involving kids were much higher than the national average in recent years.
An accident is just a moment away, and you can think of whatever that looks like. This is all about prevention.
We saw cases recently as June, where a toddler accidentally shot himself at his home near TSU.
Me and my husband are both carriers, and you know, they see them and we just tell them it's not a toy, you don't touch it, and we keep them locked up.
While her children already know the danger of a firearm, Jennifer Manhart tells us she doesn't mind that all 3 will get a refresher at school this year.
And you know, with the laws here in Tennessee, it's very common that a lot of homes and families do have guns, and you know, kids are curious, and if they understand the severity of it, then I think there would be less, you know, bad outcomes.
Nikki's with us now. So, Nikki, this is the first year that this is happening, right?
It is, and Tennessee became the first to pass a law requiring gun safety training in schools. And school districts do have the freedom to kind of make that how they want. So Wilson County is opting to do the video format, but others can do assembly or anything like that.
Pretty flexible then.
Right.
All right, so while we heard from a parent who's okay with all this, I know there's probably some that are pushing back.
Right, and we wanted to include that because that's the other side of it. And there are some parents who have real reservations about introducing something like this to their
pretty serious
child.
subject, no doubt about it. Either way, though, we know it is now the law.
Definitely.
We're going to keep following it.
Of course.
Thanks, Nikki.